Align is one of the important features in AutoCAD which helps to align objects horizontally or vertically. This feature is especially useful when creating designs with adjacent objects. Here's how to use the Align feature in AutoCAD. Select the objects you want to align by clicking on them individually or by using the Joint Selection feature. You can open the Align feature by clicking the Align icon on the Modify ribbon or by typing Align on the command line. In the Align window, select the object that will be the source and the object that will be the target. Source is the object to be uninstalled and target is the object to be pasted. You can select the desired align method, such as vertical or horizontal align, left or right side align, top or bottom align, etc. Execute align. After selecting the desired align method, click OK to execute the command. The selected object will be aligned with the target object according to the selected method. By using the Align feature, you can align objects quickly and accurately. This helps make the design easier and makes the design more clean and professional. Feel free to experiment with the Align feature and try out the different align methods available to create the design you want.